Frustrated because your Excel totals show 0, even though the numbers look fine? The problem isn't your math. It's text disguised as numbers. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest ways to fix it, so your formulas finally work like they should. Okay, let's dive in. First, how do you even know if a number is actually text? Try this simple test. Method 1. Use the sum formula. Select any empty cell and type equals sum. Select the range and close the function. Finally, press enter. If the result is 0, those are text values, so Excel can't sum them. Method 2. Check alignment. By default, numbers are right aligned, but text is left aligned. So, if your numbers align left, Excel sees them as text. Method 3. Look for the green triangle in the top left of a cell. That's Excel waving a red flag. Now that we've spotted the issue, let's fix it fast. Method 1. Excel's built-in error checker. Perfect when you see green triangles. First, select the range C2 to C10. Then, click the yellow warning icon. Choose Convert to Number. Just like that, Excel now recognizes them as real numbers. Method 2. Paste Special. This is your power move for large data sets. No formulas needed. In any blank cell, type 1. Copy that cell by pressing Ctrl+C. Select the range C2 to C10. Now, right-click. Go to Paste Special. Under Operation, choose Multiply. And click OK. Instantly, all values are now actual numbers. And that's it. 2 quick ways to convert text to numbers in Excel. If this saved you time, hit that like button. Comment below with your favorite Excel trick. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for smart, time-saving Excel tips. Thanks for watching.